I got something in this box the other day, and you'll find out what it is if you bear with me for this video. But underneath, look at this. Well, as you can tell, it's all trying thing. There's some bits of paper, and these are cool. Trying Hornby servicing scheme. Blah blah blah. Right, and it tells you where. A random page. Official service dealers in the United Kingdom and ERA. Derbyshire, Devon, Essex. One page back, I think. Somewhere in here I saw them. They were in funny places. Mexico. Alright. Casa Berlin S.A. Aparato 1879 Lucerna number 32. So, I think, see this bit of paper? It's probably worth more than the silly train I bought. Right, and this bit as well, which is, oh yeah, that's just alternative nameplates that came with it. Anyway, cool, yeah? So, on with it. You want to see what I did? Because I didn't do a lot to it, but I did a bit of cleaning and servicing, and I'm going to speed all that bit up, because it's quite boring, and if you want to see how to do it, you watch down below. So, out of the box, I'm going to clean the commutator, yeah, you know, in there, that fellow, and I'm going to clean the wheels because they're pretty minging, and other than that, I don't think I'll do much, apart from, this pony trap, the back bit there. Those wheels are kind of, yeah, sticky. So, bit of oil, bit of cleany stuff and whatever. Yeah, that's all I'm going to do to this. And then I'll put it back together and you'll see what it is, because it's cool. Right, I'll just keep going. So here's my dreaded cleaning method. Some folk will scream and shout and cry, but white spirit. And then I'm just going to run this. Can't show you that at this moment, but I'll oil the wheels on the tender because they were a bit and I'll put it back together and I'll stick it on the track, and I might waffle some more about some other nonsense, and put it this way, there's a bit of a Scottish theme going on here. Okay. Welcome to Berwick railway station. Train's coming in, platform 1. This is today's random bit. And it's not going to stop here. Just prove it. Prove it. Up there. Up the sign. Berwick. Is that thing going over the camera?
No, it was fine. It's fine.
Is it? Right, finger up off the edge. Should we go that way?
Dunno.
Yeah, definitely that way. On the left. this? You look very professional. Oi,
What?
focus.
I am. You're not.
Cut this bit out.
You gotta speak.
Right back. Keep it up, alright? Dude, it's a serious video, you know? Oh, here it comes, right, get it. That's quite cool, actually. That was a class 66. Take it back. Class 66, cool. Right, now back home. Anyway, the point was, there's one new acquisition. The ScotRail Saltire livery 170 and the old Swish one in the background. For some reason, the Saltire one runs a bit crap, but I got it for a... Here, this is Swish one for ScotRail. Oh, there we go. There, into focus, is what I've been talking about. Hang on, we'll watch it go. There it is. Look at that. Look at that thing. Woo! Nice, eh? Coronation Scot. Oops. And of course, we must end with a derailment.